Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the mesh so later edits behave predictably. First, select the object in object mode and apply transforms with Ctrl to fix scale and rotation. This prevents modifier and export issues. Once done, set the origin to geometry for reliable pivots, then enter edit mode to quickly remove doubles and recalculate normals so faces shade correctly. Make sure to isolate any problem faces with face selection and fix them now. This saves headaches during the next modeling steps. Now you refine topology to make the mesh efficient and deformation-friendly. Add a mirror modifier to work symmetrically, then a subdivision surface modifier for smoothness, but do not apply them yet so you can tweak settings. In edit mode, use loop cut and slide to add control loops and the knife tool to redirect edge flow. This improves shading and deformation. You should also add creases to preserve sharp edges and use proportional editing for organic adjustments. These steps create a clean, production-ready mesh. To finish, decide whether to apply modifiers. Apply them when mesh topology is final, otherwise leave them live. Once ready, shade smooth and add an edge split or crease where needed to preserve silhouette. Unwrap the mesh, pack UV islands efficiently, and bake normals or AO if required for texturing. Export in the required format and test the asset in its target environment. If something goes wrong, check for non-manifold geometry and flipped normals first. Fixing those usually resolves export and shading errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.